Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to switch to TikTok Pro account. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device, then tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Overhead your profile page and click on the three vertical lines in the upper right hand corner of the screen. This will open your setting page. Go to the Manage Your Account section. Click or tap on Switch to Business Account. Then tap Next and then choose Category. My channel is Tech or Information or Education. Softwares and Apps, and then tap Next. Then tap Escape. That's all it takes. You have now upgrade your account to a Pro version.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.